Here we are, Gopher here, down at Venice Beach, also known as Fred Gillespie, just hanging out in the beautiful sun provided by Mother Earth. But people Earth is having a problem. We don't like Mother Earth. And we can't treat Mother Earth like this. We have to respect Mom, because Mom is mad, and we don't have a right to beat on her like this, because she gives us all. She gives us our food, she gives us our weed, she gives us our health, she gives us our beautiful sun. You know, we got plastic snowing in the air, we got temperatures rising, and the sea is coming up. If we don't get a handle, we're all going to be toast. We need to wake up, people, because we can't live like this, because we won't be able to live and have this wonderful abundance of all. So let's give it some thought and stay ahead of it all. So that's all I have to say today. Love you back. The Buddha loves you. And the main thing that the Buddha will say, the main thing that we have is Mother, and the earth is what gives us everything. So we just have to, come on, we can do better. We just don't have to destroy it all. Because if we destroy it all, we'll destroy us. And then what do we got? Nothing. And then we're all toast again. So come on, everybody. Let's give this thing a shout out and help it out. Peace and love from the Buddha. That's all I have to say.